In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your LinkedIn profile link. This is a very quick and simple task, but it's also really useful, especially if you want to share your profile with recruiters, add it to a resume, send it to a potential client, or include it in an email or application form. Once you know where to find it, copying your LinkedIn profile link only takes a few seconds. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into your account. When you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is the menu that gives you access to your personal account options and profile settings. After you click Me, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page where you can see the same information other people would use to learn more about your experience, skills, and background. Once you're on your profile page, move your attention to the top right area of the profile. There you'll see your public profile URL. This is the direct web link that opens your LinkedIn profile, and it's the link you'll want to copy if you plan to share your profile with someone else. Now simply highlight the full URL. Make sure you select the entire link so that nothing is missing. After that, right-click on the highlighted link and choose Copy. And that's it. Your LinkedIn profile link is now copied and ready to paste wherever you need it. As a quick tip, after copying the link, you can paste it into a note, message, document, or browser tab just to confirm that it copied correctly. That can help avoid mistakes if you're sending it somewhere important. So again, the process is simple. Go to the Me menu, choose View Profile, find your public profile URL on the top right of your profile, highlight it, right-click, and copy it. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to copy your LinkedIn profile link quickly and easily.